Most front door upgrades don't fail right away, but they almost always fail eventually. Today, we're breaking down the biggest mistakes homeowners make when updating their front door and how to avoid wasting time, money, and curb appeal. Many homeowners make costly mistakes when updating their front door by choosing quick fixes instead of long-term solutions, most commonly painting over damaged surfaces when professional refinishing is needed, skipping proper prep work, or using interior or big box products that aren't designed to withstand outdoor sun and temperature changes. Others underestimate the impact of sun exposure, select the wrong finish sheen, or rush into full door replacement when the door is structurally sound and only cosmetically worn, often spending far more than necessary and losing original character in the process. Ignoring HOA rules, hiring based on price alone, or neglecting basic maintenance can also lead to peeling, fading, fines, or redo work within a year or two. The smartest front door updates focus on restoring rather than replacing, using professional-grade exterior coatings matched to climate and sun exposure, preserving architectural character and staying HOA compliant, resulting in a door that looks better, lasts longer, and avoids unnecessary expense. A front door update should last years, not seasons. Door Renew restores your existing door with professional-grade finishes designed for your climate and sun exposure. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.